Wanalipa polepole, lipa Moses cash ndani hapa. Mambo ni moto, mambo ni
Sasa tuko Tomboya statue. Yes guys, we are cruising softly on a mission to show you the beautiful Nairobi. So kindly subscribe to the channel. You can see how beautiful Nairobi is becoming. Yeah, with the new cabros, you would think that we are in London. So welcome to JM Counter channel, your best entertainment channel when it comes to content creation. I'm trying to maneuver and escape all this noise. Okay, so karibuni sana by the way. It's a Sunday afternoon. Yeah, Sunday afternoon, showing you the beautiful Nairobi, the chaos of downtown. You can see how traffic, and it's on a Sunday. So we're gonna be joining Kimathi Street. And then from Kibadi Street to Kenyatta Avenue. From Kenyatta Avenue, we now gonna be joining which part? We go all the way to Kenyatta Avenue. We have a mission to show you how the viaduct is going along. So come along with me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop me a comment. Tell me what you think about Nairobi. Look at how bright, nice. Look at how these streets, very nice, very beautiful. Look how beautiful it's changing. I saw most of your comments, by the way, on the comment section when I said that the cabros should be different colors. Majority of you are saying that you need the same color, and I hear you. It's looking beautiful, by the way. It's a good idea. I was just giving my opinion on what I think. I can see the side of the Sarova Stanley is also getting the cabros. So let me cross over there and show you. So you can see the area around Sarova Stanley is also getting this upgrade. Yeah, so it's happening everywhere. It's happening everywhere in Nairobi CBD. Yeah, everywhere. I think even this street, which is not the name, but standard streets. So even the standard streets, we're gonna be getting that upgrade, and Nairobi will change. Yeah, making Nairobi work. So this is Sarova Stanley. There is Sarova Shaba. I once spent some days in Sarova Shaba when I was a young boy in my early or late 20s, early 30s or late 20s. I can't remember when it was. 2016. So this is Kenyatta Avenue. Look at how beautiful it is. Very beautiful. Kenyatta Avenue. And then we are going to the viaduct. You can see how it looks like. We got some bumper sun.